Hello, and welcome to another update video on HBAR. Well, the HBAR chart holds really well. It's holding really well up there in the support region, yeah, that we've been tracking together for the last couple of weeks, really, yeah. So support remains unchanged. Support is holding. It is still between 20.5 cents and 25 cents. And the price is approaching the previous swing low, which formed here on the 24th, at around 23 cents. So 23.1 cents to be exact. So at the moment, it's clear that we are in some kind of a correction. I mean, that should be pretty clear. Some kind of a correction is unfolding here at the moment. However, I don't see any impulsive price action to the downside. So we are still holding above support, and the market is actually moving rather sideways on a pretty high level. You can see that, right? So it's more like a sideways consolidation on a high level. Of course, there is some volatility, but overall, the support area, which we put onto the chart, yeah, I believe on the 18th of July already, that's still holding. We've just been testing it a few times now. And there was an initial response on the 24th of July, but the response or the rally afterwards did not lead to a substantial breakout. The area that I highlighted to you here around 28 cents remains an important resistance area. What I'm tracking at the moment is, and that's unchanged from previous updates, a wave 4 correction as a flat structure, A wave, that was a 3-wave move down, a B wave as a 3-wave move up, and a potential 5-wave move down in wave C. I have to say this could be nearly done, this C wave. So that's one scenario I'm tracking. That's what we talked about over the last few days. The price has also reached nearly the 100% extension level. That's at 23.5 cents. That's an important and ideal target for a C wave. So we're nearly there, yeah. And the market is, well, holding just above that 100% extension. So if we see any reaction from here, then I'd be happy because it would indicate that most likely the 4th wave is in, especially if the rally is impulsive and a break above the 27.9 cent level. This last swing high there from the 31st of July, that a break above that level could be indeed an early indication that a low has formed. So what we would need to see basically is a break above that level in 5 waves. That's not happened yet, okay? And it would likely be wave 5 of circle wave 3. And that next rally could take us first of all to 33 cents. That's the next resistance, yeah? I'm not talking about the range here. No, I'm talking about the next levels above the 27th of July high and above the 17th of July high. Apologies. Oh, just noticing, is it? No, that's fine. So 33.3 cents and then 39 cents are the next resistance levels. Now, in addition to that, what could be the case, and that's a newly added scenario that I've added to the chart, getting inspired here by the Ethereum chart, because Ethereum is showing a very similar pattern. It's this triangle pattern: A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave. Now, in this particular scenario, the market is simply moving in a sideways consolidation pattern, like a 5-wave move, but as a sideways consolidation. That's our triangle pattern we're tracking. And all that would mean is that we are printing maybe a few more lower highs and higher lows. It would also mean that we are likely in a 4th wave, but the 4th wave doesn't unfold as a normal ABC structure, but more like a triangle pattern. Also common, especially in a 4th wave, just not as common as an ABC structure. Therefore, only marked as alternative. But if the next rally is clearly corrective, forms a lower high, and then we see another corrective pullback, we're likely dealing with a triangle and need to be ready for a direct breakout. For a triangle, it's important to understand that the invalidation point is the low of the A wave. That's the level that formed here at 23.1 cents on the 24th of July. Yeah, that's the update on HBAR. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to check out our membership. You can find more information about the membership on our channel page. There's a video that explains the member benefits. You can get access to our member videos with was covered yesterday. We had ICP. Today I'm going to cover another coin that is requested in our request section on Discord. Then you can also get access to our weekly member live stream. The next one is in a couple of days on Sunday, 5 p.m. UTC. As a gold member, you can also connect to our Discord server for a lot of additional benefits, extras. An Elliott Wave course is there. You find a lot of other extras, short-term updates, intraday updates for Bitcoin, and much more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.